Welcome to cyberbullying training. What do we as educators need to know? We need to know the definition of cyberbullying, where does cyberbullying occur, and some interesting facts, platforms, and forms of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is defined as bullying that takes place using electric technology. Electric technology includes devices and equipment such as cell phones, computers, and tablets, as well as communication tools including social media sites, text messages, chat, and websites. Where does cyberbullying occur? Cell phones, tablets, and computers. 93% of children ages 8 to 18 have computers at home. 66% report having personal cell phones, and 76% report also having another multimedia device such as an iPad. Some interesting facts about cyberbullying. It's the most common type of online bullying, and then mean comments are the main source of that. 35% of students have shared a screenshot of someone's status or photo to laugh at them, and then 7 in 10 young adults experience cyberbullying by the age of 18. Some platforms that we need to be aware of. 42% of cyberbullying cases take place on Instagram, 37% on Facebook, and 31% on Snapchat. 10 forms of cyberbullying include exclusion, harassment, fake profiling, dissing, outing, trickery, cyberstalking, trolling, fraping, and catfishing. Fraping is simply where you log into somebody's account without their knowing. How does cyberbullying affect students? It can have long-term depression effects, even suicide in some cases. It can cause eating disorders, poor school performance, alcohol and drug abuse. Top 10 things that teens can do. Don't be a bystander. If you see something, say something. Number 2, collect evidence. Take a screenshot, save the image or message, record what you see. Number 3, they can report to the app, site, or game, as most of these resources have anti-bullying policies. They can talk to a trusted adult. Also demonstrate care. Show empathy to the person getting bullied. Let them know that they're not alone. Work together. Gather other friends and present a full court press of positivity. Tell them to stop. Peer pressure can have a positive effect. Don't encourage it. It will just make it worse. Stay safe. Don't put yourself in harm's way. And don't give up. Think creatively how it can be stopped. My resources are here at the very end. The editing mechanism was a little off. Let me fast forward so I can show the resources. Here they are. I know that's a very fast rendition. I didn't know how to slow down the pace of the video. I appreciate your attention, and hopefully we all learned something today.